Are you building a custom motorcycle at home in your shop? Are you stuck and looking for help? Do you want to learn new skills in mechanical, electrical, fabrication, painting and polishing, tools and equipment, and heaps more? If so, you're in the right place. I'm Matt, and you found my little corner of YouTube here at Krank Engineering. I'm a qualified mechanical engineer and adult trainer. For a couple of years now, I've been running classes at our local community workshop. And in those workshops, we've covered everything from basic maintenance to electrical systems to welding and fabrication. But in those classes, I can only reach 10 people. So I need to use the internet if I'm going to help 10,000 or 10 million people. So now I create educational and how-to videos here on YouTube, and I host a premium private members forum on my website. I provide DIY custom motorcycle builders just like you with better technical information to shorten your learning curve and get your project bike back on the road. If you feel like you belong in this community, go and hit that subscribe button, not once but twice, so you get notified when I release a new video, and I'll see you later.